grandfather was an alcoholic, and he died because he was hit by a truck on his way home from the pub one night, drunk. My dad was an alcoholic, and my relationship with alcohol has been a conscious one. Yet when I looked at my life honestly and realised why I was unhappy, it was because I had a cycle of drinking on a Friday and going out, and my mindset towards a drink was not like, oh, I'm going to have one or two beers. It was like I couldn't see the end of a night.
Tell me what this is all about. Why do you want to do this?
I want people to live more conscious lives, break cycles that don't serve them. It could be a cycle of a relationship that you keep inviting into your life that isn't serving you, that's doing you damage, or a career that is not fulfilling you or not making you happy. I want to build a community where people can be inspired and get support. And I can only really talk about this from personal experience because that's all I have. I can only share my story, but Break Your Cycle is far bigger than me or I. And I am setting up breakyourcycle.org as a foundation and a platform for people to share cycles that they've broken in their own lives to inspire others. And I want to talk to children and kids who are in schools around the world who can see patterns evolving in their lives and to take an honest look at themselves and be like, this one thing isn't making me happy, but I do it all the time. I wonder what my life would be like if I didn't do that anymore.